I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters.